Want to make your PDFs look professional and protected with a watermark? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily insert a watermark into any PDF using Adobe Acrobat 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add custom watermarks, whether it's your brand name, a copyright notice, or even a logo image, so your documents look polished and secure. Let's get started right away. First, go ahead and open up the PDF you want to use in Adobe Acrobat 2025. Make sure it's the final version, or at least the version you're ready to watermark, because once you add this mark, it'll be visible on all the selected pages. If you're working with an important contract, a draft, or a file you'll be distributing, this step helps make it clear who owns the content or what status that document holds. Next, head up to the main toolbar and select the Edit tool. In Acrobat 2025, you'll find this at the top or side panel, and it usually looks like a little pen or a set of sliders. Clicking Edit opens up a whole suite of options for modifying your PDF. This is the spot where you can tweak text, shuffle images, and of course, work with watermarks. Now, to add your watermark, look for the option labeled Watermark. You may need to click More to find it. It's sometimes tucked away to keep the interface nice and tidy. Once you click on Watermark, choose Add. This tells Acrobat you want to bring a new watermark into your document. Here's where the magic happens. A dialog box pops up, letting you choose exactly what you want for your watermark. Acrobat gives you two main choices. You can opt for a simple text watermark, like confidential or sample, by typing directly into the provided field. Or you can use a file, like a company logo or a signature image, by browsing your computer for the right graphic. So if you want to brand every page with your logo, this is perfect. Once you've picked your source, you'll see adjustment options for the watermark's appearance. Take your time with these. Appearance really matters. You can set the rotation, so if you want your watermark diagonally across the page like you often see on commercial samples, just choose the angle that makes it pop. Opacity is another key setting. A lower opacity gives your watermark a subtle, see-through look, so it won't block the document's main text, while higher opacity makes it bold and unmistakable. I generally suggest something in the middle, clear enough to notice, but gentle enough not to be distracting. Think of it like frosting on a window. You want people to see the mark but still be able to read everything behind it. Positioning your watermark is important too. Acrobat lets you decide if it should sit in the center, the corners, or stretch across the page. For official documents, a centered diagonal watermark is classic, but you might want to experiment and see what looks best for your particular file. And don't worry if this part takes a few tries. It's totally normal to adjust the position or preview a few different looks until you're happy. Finally, when you've dialed in every setting you want, click OK to apply the watermark. Acrobat will process for a moment, and then you'll see your mark appear throughout the document. If you accidentally missed a detail or want to make a change, you can always edit or remove the watermark later using the same menu. So don't stress if it's not perfect on the first go. And that's it. You've just added a watermark to your PDF. Whether you're prepping important reports, sending drafts for review, or sharing sensitive materials, this technique helps keep your documents safe and unmistakably branded. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about watermarks or other PDF tools. I read every single one and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.